Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to clear cache file in Windows 10. So let's just go straight into the video. First of all, click on a start menu and search for disk cleanup. Now here you can see the disk cleanup app. You need to open this app and we need to work with this. Okay guys, so now here you can see that there are lots of files to delete, like downloaded programs, DirectX shader cache, and temporary files including recycle bin, and lots of files. Okay, so Windows will automatically detect them. Now here you can see the clean up option. Now you need to click on that. Now here you can see it's calculating the disk cleanup. I mean the space you will be able to free. Okay guys, so now here you can see it just scanned and it's found that you can free up 372 megabytes total amount of disk space. Okay, so you need to click on OK, and you need to here you can see a dialog box. You need to click on delete files. Okay, so it will be delete all the files. Okay, so it will take a couple of seconds to do. You guys need to wait. So you guys can easily see that it's being cleaned up. Okay, so after that you guys don't need to do anything and you are good to go. You have successfully cleared the cache in your Windows 10. So I hope you guys understand this video. If you guys have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.